You need to hear this if you're a true friend. This video is sponsored by Knowledge Your Health. Visit knowledgeyourhealth.com. Hello, dear friends. Today we gather to celebrate one of the most cherished bonds in our lives, friendship. It's a connection that transcends time, distance, and even differences. Whether you've known your friends for years or just a short while, the impact they have on your life is immeasurable.
Let's raise a glass to friendship. This simple act of toasting is more than just a tradition. It's a way to honor the moments we've shared and the memories we've created together. Each clink of the glass is a testament to the laughter, the tears, and the countless adventures that have brought us closer.
It's a special bond that makes life brighter. Friends are the ones who stand by us through thick and thin, who lift us up when we're down, and who celebrate our successes as if they were their own. They are the family we choose, and their presence in our lives is a gift beyond measure.
Friendship Day is the perfect time to celebrate these amazing connections. It's a day dedicated to acknowledging the friends who have been there for us, who have shared in our joys and sorrows, and who have made our lives richer in countless ways. Whether it's a grand celebration or a simple get-together, the essence of Friendship Day lies in the appreciation of these bonds.
Friends bring joy, laughter, and support. They are the ones who make us laugh until our sides hurt, who offer a shoulder to cry on, and who stand by us when the going gets tough. Their unwavering support and understanding make the journey of life more enjoyable and less daunting.
They make our world a better place. Through their kindness, generosity, and love, friends enrich our lives in ways that words can hardly describe. They inspire us to be better, to reach higher, and to live more fully. In their company, we find a sense of belonging and a source of endless joy.
Let's explore the history of Friendship Day. This special day has its roots in various cultures and traditions, each celebrating the essence of friendship in unique ways. From exchanging friendship bands to sharing heartfelt messages, the ways in which we honor our friends are as diverse as the friendships themselves.
We'll learn about how people celebrate it around the globe. In some countries, Friendship Day is marked by grand festivals and public events, while in others, it's a more intimate affair, celebrated with close friends and family. No matter the form it takes, the spirit of Friendship Day remains the same, a celebration of the bonds that unite us.
And we'll discover why friendship is so important for our well-being. Studies have shown that strong social connections can improve our mental and physical health, reduce stress, and even increase our lifespan. Friends provide us with a sense of purpose, a network of support, and a source of happiness that is essential for our overall well-being. So let's cherish our friends, celebrate our connections, and raise a toast to the incredible gift of friendship.
All speakers in unison. To friendship! Did you know?
Friendship Day has a special beginning.
It all started back in 1958.
A man named Dr. Ramon Artemio Bracho had a wonderful idea.
He wanted a day dedicated to celebrating friendship.
Dr. Braco lived in Paraguay.
He believed in the power of friendship to bring people together. His idea caught on.
People love the thought of a day to honor their friends.
Today, Friendship Day is celebrated all over the world. This special day is dedicated to honoring the bonds of friendship that transcend borders, cultures, and languages. It's a day when people come together to appreciate the friends who bring joy, support, and love into their lives.
It's a global celebration of friendship. From bustling cities to quiet villages, people of all ages and backgrounds participate in various activities to mark this occasion. The essence of Friendship Day lies in the universal human connection that binds us all.
People in different countries have their own unique ways of celebrating this special day. In some places, it's a grand event with parades and public gatherings, while in others, it's a more intimate affair with close friends sharing heartfelt moments.
In India, friends exchange colourful bracelets called friendship bands. These bands symbolize the strength and beauty of their bond. It's a tradition that has been embraced by people of all ages, from school children to adults, who tie these bands on each other's wrists as a gesture of love and commitment.
In the United States, people often give cards, flowers, or small gifts to their friends. These tokens of appreciation are a way to express gratitude and affection. Whether it's a handwritten note or a bouquet of flowers, the gesture is always cherished and remembered.
No matter how it's celebrated, Friendship Day is a time to show your friends how much you care. It's a reminder that friendship is a precious gift that should be nurtured and celebrated. So, take a moment to reach out to your friends, share a laugh, create new memories, and let them know how much they mean to you. After all, it's these connections that make life truly special.
Friendship isn't just about fun and laughter.
It's also incredibly good for us.
Studies show that having strong friendships can actually make us healthier. Friends provide emotional support.
They help us through tough times.
Friends also reduce stress and boost our mood.
They make us feel happier and more connected.
Friendship is a true gift for our mental and emotional well-being. Showing you care.
How can you make Friendship Day memorable?
It's all about showing your friends you care. Organize a fun get-together. Enjoy a meal together. Share stories and laughter.
Even a simple phone call or text message can brighten someone's day.
The most important thing is to express your appreciation for your friends.
Stop doing X, do Y instead. Words that warm the heart. In this section, we delve into the profound impact that words can have on our relationships, especially those of friendship. Words have the power to uplift, to heal, and to strengthen the bonds we share with others.
Many wise people have spoken about the beauty of friendship. Their insights offer us a glimpse into the timeless nature of these connections. From ancient philosophers to modern thinkers, the essence of friendship has been celebrated and cherished.
Their words remind us of the power of these special bonds. They highlight the importance of having someone who understands us, who stands by us through thick and thin. A friend is not just a companion, but a confidant, a supporter, and a source of joy.
A true friend is someone who knows the song in your heart and can sing it back to you when you have forgotten the words, said Plato. These words ring true. Friends understand us deeply. They resonate with our innermost feelings and emotions, often without the need for words. This deep understanding is what makes friendships so unique and irreplaceable.
They offer comfort and support. In times of distress, a friend's comforting presence can be a beacon of hope. Their words of encouragement can lift our spirits and give us the strength to face challenges. The simple act of being there, of listening, can make all the difference.
They celebrate our joys and help us through our sorrows. Whether it's a moment of triumph or a period of hardship, friends are there to share in our experiences. They amplify our happiness and lighten our burdens. The shared memories, the laughter, and even the tears all contribute to the rich tapestry of friendship.
The words we exchange with friends, whether spoken or written, carry immense weight. A heartfelt letter, a thoughtful message, or even a simple compliment can strengthen the bond we share. These words become cherished memories, reminders of the love and care that define true friendship.
As we journey through life, the words of our friends accompany us. They become a part of our story, shaping our experiences and influencing our perspectives. The adventures we embark on together, the challenges we overcome, and the dreams we pursue all are enriched by the words of encouragement and support from our friends.
In the simple moments of life, like sharing a meal or cooking together, the words exchanged can create lasting memories. These moments of connection, filled with laughter and conversation, remind us of the beauty of friendship. They are the threads that weave the fabric of our lives, making it vibrant and meaningful.
As we look back on our lives, it's often the words of our friends that stand out. The shared stories, the inside jokes, and the heartfelt conversations become treasured memories. They remind us of the journey we've taken together and the bonds that have grown stronger over time.
And as we look to the future, the words of our friends continue to inspire us. They encourage us to dream big, to take risks, and to embrace new opportunities. With friends by our side, the future is filled with endless possibilities.
Even when paths diverge, the words of friendship remain. Promises to stay in touch, to reunite, and to keep the bond alive are testaments to the enduring nature of true friendship. These words, filled with love and commitment, ensure that the connection remains strong, no matter the distance.
In the end, it's the words that warm the heart that truly matter. They are the essence of friendship, the glue that holds us together. So, cherish the words of your friends, for they are the melodies that make life beautiful.
Friendship in the digital age.
In today's digital world, it's easier than ever to stay connected.
We have social media, texting, and video calls.
These tools help us nurture our friendships even from afar.
However, it's important to remember the value of face-to-face interaction.
Nothing can replace the warmth of spending time with friends in person.
Building bridges of friendship.
Friendship is a two-way street, built on mutual respect.
It requires effort, understanding, and a willingness to be there for each other.
Be open to meeting new people. Nurture your existing relationships with care.
Remember, every friendship is a precious gift to be treasured.
Let's cherish the friends we have and continue to build new bridges of friendship.
Cherishing every bond.
Life is a journey, and we're lucky to share it with friends.
They are the family we choose.
Friends make the journey more enjoyable.
They support us, inspire us, and make us laugh.
Let's cherish every friendship we have.
Let's make time for the people who matter most.
Friendship is a treasure that enriches our lives in countless ways.
Happy Friendship Day!
As we celebrate Friendship Day, Let's remember the importance of these special bonds.
Let's reach out to our friends, express our gratitude, and make them feel loved.
May your Friendship Day be filled with joy, laughter, and unforgettable moments.
Share your favorite Friendship Day memories in the comments below.
Let's spread the love and celebrate the beauty of friendship.
This video is sponsored by Knowledge Your Health. Visit knowledgeyourhealth.com.